Today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to replace your battery on a 2018 to 2023 Toyota Camry. So our first step, we're going to go ahead and remove our negative battery terminal. And to do that, we're going to loosen this 10mm bolt. And pull our negative terminal off. Just set that to the side. And our next step is to remove this cover that's covering the positive terminal. You just squeeze these two tabs in and lift it straight up. And now to remove the positive terminal, we're going to go ahead and loosen this nut up. And just set that to the side. And now we're good to go ahead and remove the battery. To do that, take out this 12mm bolt that holds your battery tie down in place. Now we're all set to lift the battery out. Your battery should have a handle that you can flip up. And just lift it out. Here's all the specs for the battery for when you get your replacement. And we can grab our new battery and set it into place. Slide it all the way back. Make sure your battery's sitting just like this with your positive toward the front of the vehicle. And now we can reinstall our battery tie down. Just make sure your tie down is sitting over the lip of the battery, just like this. The whole point of this is to hold your battery in place. And go ahead and snug that bolt down. Grab our positive terminal. Put that back in place. And we will tighten this nut down. Just need to snug it up. You don't need to over tighten it. Reinstall our terminal cover. Make sure it clips back into place. And now we can reinstall the negative. Just push your terminal down. And we'll tighten this bolt back up. Same thing, just snug it. So that is the replacement part of the battery. All right, so we'll go ahead and start the car. It says not ready to drive. Let's start it. And everything is all set. Only thing you're gonna have to do is reset your clocks. And that is how we replace the battery on this Toyota Camry. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a like. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.